Hello students, today is 7th of June 2021 and the day is Monday.
This video is for class 6, subject English grammar. Students, in this video we are going to learn about nouns, number,
singular noun and plural noun. So children, as we learned about noun in our previous video, that a noun is a name of a person, place, thing or animal. Children,
a noun can refer to one or more than one person, animal, place or thing. Noun एक या एक से अधिक हो सकते हैं. A noun that names one person, animal, place or thing is called a singular noun. जब किसी एक व्यक्ति, वस्तु और स्थान की बात की जाए तो वो एक वचन कहलाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अ बॉय, अ कैट, अ हाउस एंड अ फ्लावर. स्टूडेंट्स, शब्द के जिस रूप से किसी एक व्यक्ति, वस्तु, स्थान या जानवर का बोध हो तो उसे सिंगुलर नंबर कहते हैं, मीन्स एक वचन. जब किसी एक व्यक्ति, वस्तु, स्थान या जानवर का बोध होता है तो उसे एक वचन कहते हैं, जिसे इंग्लिश में सिंगुलर नंबर कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अ बॉय, अ गर्ल, अ काउ, एन एलिफेंट, अ चेयर, अ टेबल, अ कंट्री, एक्सेट्रा. नेक्स्ट इज प्लूरल नाउन. अ नाउन दैट नेम्स मोर देन वन पर्सन, एनिमल, प्लेस और थिंग is called a plural noun. Plural noun means बहुवचन. For example, boys, cats, houses and flowers. These are the examples of plural nouns. शब्द का वह रूप जो जिससे अनेकता का बोध हो, मीन्स जब किसी एक से अधिक व्यक्ति, वस्तु, स्थान और जानवर की बात की जाती है तो उसे प्लूरल नंबर कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, बॉयज, गर्ल्स, काउज, एलिफेंट्स, चेयर्स, टेबल्स, एक्सेट्रा. हाउ टू फॉर्म प्लूरल नाउन्स? In most cases, we add s to the singular noun to form the plural. You can see the examples: bat, ball, cow, elephant, chair. We have to add s to the singular noun to form the plural, like bats, bats, balls, balls, cows, cows, elephants, elephants, chairs, chairs. In case of nouns ending in s, ss, sh, ch or x. In case of nouns ending in s, ss, sh, ch or x, we add es to the singular noun. For example, bus, bus. So here we add es to make it plural noun. bus, buses. Next, glass, glass. When we add es to make it plural, so it will be glasses, glasses. wish, wishes, wishes. church, churches. fox, foxes. So here you can see that all singular nouns are ended with s, ss, ch or x. That's why here we add es to the singular noun to make it plural. One exception is there, such as ox. Ox is singular noun. And when we change it into plural noun, we don't add es to the singular noun. like oxex, oxes. It is wrong. Plural noun of ox is oxen. O-X-E-N, oxen. In case of nouns ending in O, we add es. Like potato. P-O-T-A-T-O, potato. So here we add es. P-O-T-A-T-O-E-S, potatoes. Next, tomato. T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato. T-O-M-A-T-O-E-S, tomatoes. H-E-R-O, hero. And the plural noun of hero is H-E-R-O-E-S, heroes. However, photos is the plural of photo. Radios is the plural of radio. But in this case, we don't add es to make it plural. When nouns end in f or fe, we change the f or fe into ves. Like leaf, L-E-A-F, leaf. So the plural noun of leaf is leaves, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. Next, C-A-L-F, calf. So we remove F, and instead of F we will write V-E-S, like C-A-L-V-E-S, calves. H-A-L-F, half. H-A-L-V-E-S, halves. L-I-F-E, life. L-I-V-E-S, lives. So students, here you can see that when the noun end with F or FE, we change F or FE into VES. When nouns end in consonant Y, we change Y to IES. Like army, A-R-M-Y, army. So we remove Y, and instead of Y we will write IES, like A-R-M-I-E-S, armies. N-A-V-Y, navy. N-A-V-I-E-S, navies. B-O-D-Y, body. B-O-D-I-E-S, bodies. B-A-B-Y, baby. B-A-B-I-E-S, babies. So here you can see that when the nouns end with consonant Y, we remove Y, and instead of Y we will add IES to make it plural noun. When nouns end in vowels Y, we add S to the singular nouns. For example, B-O-Y, boy. T-O-Y, toy. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. V-A-L-L-E-Y, valley. In these examples, before Y, there are vowels. You can see that. So in such case, we add S to the singular nouns to make it plural. Like B-O-Y-S, boys. T-O-Y-S, toys. M-O-N-K-E-Y-S, monkeys. V-A-L-L-E-Y-S, valleys. In such case, we don't change Y to IES.
Now let's do some exercises from the book. First exercise is change the nouns in the brackets into plural and rewrite the sentences. Make other necessary changes. You might not need to make any changes in some cases. So students, हर sentences में brackets में कुछ words दिए गए हैं, हमें उनका plural बनाना है. उन ब्रैकेट्स वाले वर्ड्स के पहले ब्लैंक्स दिया गया, वहाँ पर हमें उस वर्ड को फिर से राइट करना है, प्लूरल बनाना है. और सेंटेंस के अकॉर्डिंग हमें कुछ अगर और चेंजेस करने हो तो वो भी हमें करना पड़ेगा. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. First sentence is on our grand tour of Italy we saw several dash and dash, and the words are written, words are given in brackets. First word is church and second word is museum. So we have to write a plural of these words, means church और museum का हमें plural write करना है. So church का होगा churches, churches. Here we will add es to the word church. And next museums, museums. Next I wear dash for reading and the word is given glass. The word is glass. So we have to make it plural. So it will be glasses, GLASSES, glasses. I wear glasses for reading. Next sentence, the dash ran into the pond as they were being chased by naughty dash, and the words are goose and boys. So the plural of goose will be geese, 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 and the plural of boys. So ये boys पहले से already ये plural number में है, तो यहाँ पर हम boys ही लिखेंगे. Next, there are few dash on the road today, and the word is bus. So we have to make it plural. So the plural of bus will be buses, BUSES, buses. We will add es to the word bus. Next, we baked 3 dash of bread, 4 sandwiches and 2 dozen dash, and the words are loaf and cookie. So plural of loaf will be loaves, LOAVES. We will omit F and will add VES. लोफ का प्लूरल होगा लोव्स, LOAVES. ये लोफ F से एंड हो रहा है, इसलिए यहाँ पे F रिमूव करेंगे और उसके जगह पे हम VES ऐड करते हैं, लोव्स. एंड कुकी, 2 डजन कुकी, तो कुकी का प्लूरल हो जाएगा कुकीज, COOKIES, कुकीज. Next sentence is, as grandma switched on the kitchen light, she saw 2 little dash scurrying across the floor, and the word is mouse. We have to make plural of the word mouse. So mouse का plural होता है mice, MICE, mice. mouse में हम s नहीं ऐड करेंगे, वो गलत होगा. Plural of mouse will be mice, MICE, mice. Next sentence is, we were bothered by dash, dash and dash when we went camping in the woods, and the words are mosquito, fly and gnat. So the plural of mosquito will be mosquitoes, MOSQUITOES. Here we will add es, mosquitoes. And plural of fly will be flies. We will omit y and will add IES, flies. fly में हम y हटाएंगे और IES ऐड करेंगे, flies. एंड GNAT, इसमें हम केवल s ऐड करेंगे. Next, the dash and the dash were arranged in the flower dash, and the words are peony, lily and vase. So we have to make these words in plural form. So plural of peony will be peonies, 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 and the plural of lily will be lilies, 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 and vase का होगा vases, VASES, vases. वास में हम s ऐड करेंगे, VASES, vases. Next sentence, how many dash do you have in your dash? And the words are scarf and bag. So we have to make it plural. So scarf का plural होगा scarves, SCARVES, scarves. So how many scarves do you have in your bag? BAG, bag. bag का हम plural नहीं बनाएंगे, यहाँ पर bag का plural नहीं बनेगा. So how many scarves do you have in your bag? तुम्हारे bag में कितने scarves हैं? And the last sentence is, the dash ran excitedly with colorful dash in their hands, and the words are child and kite. So हमें इन दोनों का plural बनाना है. So plural of child will be children. child का plural childs नहीं होता है, CHILDS, wrong. children, it will be children, children, children. The children ran excitedly with colorful kites, kites, kites in their hands. So students, in this video this much only. In our next video we will do some more exercises related to the chapter nouns, number.